Here we are in the final assembly of our pegboard toy. If you do the extra credit, which is the mallet, let's insert the mallet right now, and then we're going to be ready for printout. So here we have it, 2 ends, 3 pegs, our pegboard toy, our name is on it. I'm going to go up to the upper left hand side, go to place. We're going to find our mallet pieces. I have a mallet handle and a mallet head. We're going to put the head in there first. I'm going to place it somewhere up here where I like it. Once I get it placed, I left click and right click and say OK. And I'm going to go back to place. I know my mallet handle is here, so I'll click on my mallet handle. Let's put that in there too. Quick left click and then a right click and say OK. I'm going to kind of orient this the way I want it so I can see my mallet is kind of in a position that I want. Okay, the mallet head I think I'm going to put up here. Maybe I'll rotate it a little bit because I know what I want. A handle like this. Okay, that's starting to look kind of how I want the whole thing to look. Alright, so we're going to use a constrain here command again. I'm going to ground the mallet head first so it doesn't move all over on me. I right click on the mallet head, I click grounded, and it'll stay there for us now. I'm going to go to constrain. We're going to use a constrain, which is a fourth one over here. It's called insert. Kind of help lock everything together when we put the mallet handle into the head of the mallet. Okay, so I'm going to click insert. I do want it to just insert all the way. Aligned, pose, I want it to be aligned. Okay, so I find the axis of the handle. I turn this a little bit so that I can see the opening and make sure I have the axis of the opening. And there we go. Cowbell says something happened. I'm going to click apply and cancel and then move around a little bit to see if this is kind of what I want. Sure, that looks fine to me. We have all the pieces there. I'm going to be able to see them. Here's my home view, mallet, pegs. We are ready to go. Everything is assembled. The next step is to print.